Ensure the safety of candidate information and adherence to all security measures throughout your hiring process. Mismanagement of sensitive candidate data can lead to data leaks and non-compliance with regulations, tarnishing your company's reputation. With Candidate Data Security, we safeguard candidate data using advanced security protocols, ensuring compliance when dealing with sensitive information during the hiring process. Our system is meticulously designed to allow access to sensitive candidate data only to authorized team members. Now, let's examine our trust policy for VCP. Alongside our robust security measures, we uphold a privacy policy specifically tailored for candidate data and any personal information they provide. We also enforce trust policies and ensure product security, data security, network security, and endpoint security measures. Our goal is to prevent any data leakage or untoward activity behind the scenes. Feel confident that your assessment process meets top security standards, protecting your company and candidates. Secure your assessments with VCP and stay confident every step of the way.